Here's how I made 3 different habit areas that I created myself, and this is actually my room tour that I created based on atomic habits. So I'm gonna tell you the atomic habits by the end of this video, but let's start off my relaxation zone, which is my bed, and this area right here. As you can see, my relaxation area is actually full of instruments right here. My instruments and that piano right there. So that's my relaxation area. So right under my bed is actually my piano and my gaming setup. Right here I have a piano right here there where I can relax. That's part of my relaxation zone. And right here is my gaming area where I game stuff and record stuff with gamings. This is a simple gaming setup. We got mouse, keyboard, monitor, laptop, one laptop and one monitor. That's my whole gaming setup. A light bar here and a missing microphone. I'm using it right now. So yeah, this is my gaming area for gaming stuff only. If I want to game, I can just go here and start gaming and relaxing. Guys, sorry for the bright light. This is actually my study area where my productivity skyrockets. Here's my chair, just a normal chair, and this is the light I'm using. It's so bright. Look at this. This is the atomic habit that I'm talking about, and a small light bar just for reading and stuff. Here's what I promised about you about the atomic habits, and here's the chapter. This chapter 1, law 1, make it attractive. And look at this. Motivation is overrated, environment often matters more. So by priming your environment, you can actually do more productive stuff. Like if you sit right here and you just look, you just see books, and it can make you want to read books and write your ideas and stuff. So write my ideas here. Don't think, just do it. And yeah, this is the light that I'm talking about. Make it, environment often matters more. So I recommend reading this for productivity. And another example is if I go to my gaming area and if I sit here, I just see my monitor and all my games. So if I sit here, I just want to game and stuff. If I sit here, I see my piano and I want to play the piano. So motivation often is motivation is overrated, and environment often matters more. That's my explanation of the law 1. Make it obvious. Make your habit obvious. If I lay there, I just want to sleep, and that's it. So that's it, guys. That's my 3 habit areas that I do stuff. And also, this is a room tour. So that's my room, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.